What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial for After Effects. Today, we are making credits inside of After Effects using a very cool tool to speed up your workflow. Very helpful. Now, you can totally download this tool and do a 7-day free trial to check it out, feel it out, see if you like it. This tool is literally called Credits. It generates credits inside of After Effects. You can find it over on filmit.io. There's a link in the description and the pinned comment. Feel free to get it in the studio. What you do is you create an account on filmit.io. You install their Filmit Studio desktop application, which gives you access to all of the tools. It's not just one. So within your trial, you get access to every single After Effects, Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve tools that are coming out, which is super excited about. And we want to install credits. All you have to do is click install and you're good to go. Now with After Effects open, all we have to do is go to Window, Extensions, and then Credits right here. Opens up this window. Now this is the window for credits to give you a quick overview. This is your credits where you would put in your stuff, your cast members. There's a lot of different options. A credit, section, spacer, divider, title card, single, double, triple, quad, group, logo, picture, and video. And you can literally build it from scratch. You could click new and literally start building credits and just keep them going and build your own. There is a import CSV and a import Excel right here. You can also Excel template. Download the Excel template so you can actually follow what it's supposed to look like so this program can read it correctly. And do it that way because I know producers love to hand editors, credit templates. They're like, hey, we need these credits for this indie short or something. Cool. Now, we have a couple of presets in here already. Let's do the Filmit example. And all we have to do is go to preview and you can see what it's going to look like. Now you may say, I don't like the way this font looks. Don't worry, there's plenty of different styles that are templates built into here. You can go to the style tab and actually choose your style. Preview changes it to, let's do indie movie right here and do this. Now, before we jump into more things for credits, there's a little button up here on the top right, and most of their plugins have this button. It's called advanced mode. For each plugin, it's different, but for credits, it opens up this dialog here, which is a one-to-one credits creation. So it's the same thing as the plugin. But what it does is give you access to just more workspace because the docked panel in After Effects can just be kind of cramped sometimes. So what we want to do is this is our current credits. Let's add a new single. So I want to add a new credit and drag it all the way to the top. So what we can do is just close all these down by clicking these to make a little more room for ourselves, a little more work room. Let's add a credit, which is going to be into the special thanks right here. We can open up the opening right here and actually drag our credit into the opening credits. From here, we're going to type animator and type in the name, and we'll say Max, which is me. Well, Maxwell, my full name or whatever. And if we start the credits, you can see animator Maxwell right there. Now, if we go to, let's just do a different documentary style. It's kind of cool. Sure. Animator Maxwell, the last render. All cool stuff. Now, if we go to our style tab here, you can see there's a lot of options. You can fully customize these styles. You don't have to choose the fonts that we chose. There's an entire list, no problem. And feel free to jump on in and choose what you need. Otherwise, you can totally customize these. Now, there's a couple modes for credits. We have scrolling mode, which is the most popular. We also have a card sequence mode, which creates card sequences for you automatically. So that would be really nice. And credits is pretty extensive. We have a feature film example in here, which is a ton of credits, a big project, and it's a lot of credits. And this is what it would look like. And After Effects will happily create this. Now, once you have your credit roll, whatever your movie is, maybe you have you need this to run a certain amount of time. We need this to be 8 minutes of credits or 6 minutes. So what we can do is type in 360 seconds, and that's going to be around 6 minutes of credits. And when we hit the playback button right here, this is what it would look like on screen. It would literally render this out or actually create your composition that is 6 minutes long, right? Now we want to go back to our Filmit example, which is a lot shorter. And we want to not do a card. We want to go back to our style and actually do a scrolling roll that is not 360 minutes or 360 seconds. And what we can do is grab this little speed slider here and actually choose our duration that way as well. It's duration 28 seconds. Let's do 41 seconds. That seems appropriate for this example. And we can click generate. But before we do, what we can do is go to the help file and learn more about credits. It'll tell you here that if your fonts are installed, things you're missing. If you're missing some fonts, you can literally just go to the links. That's okay. There's also a how-to and help file on the website to help you get all the fonts you may not have. And all these fonts are free. We made sure that these fonts are free. And now we want to generate credits. Just hit generate. Like so, it's making our After Effects composition. Let's close this out. Let's fit this to frame and play these bad boys. And there it is, credits. Now you can change your frame rate afterwards or pick your frame rate inside of credits to generate. Otherwise, this is the gist of credits. Feel free to dive in, start making credits inside of After Effects very quickly so you don't have to worry about a producer telling you to somehow make this and it'd be really annoying, you know. And like I said before, there's plenty of features. You can include photos, videos, it all builds it in there for you. We have the Filmit logo at the bottom here that it kind of scrolls by, which is kind of cool. You can add logos, columns, there's a lot. And if they're missing any features, feel free to reach out and request a feature for credits. Something that we didn't add or forgot about, let us know. Otherwise, you can also connect with us on Discord. Just go to the settings page inside of credits, click join our Discord, and you can chat with us directly. A very responsive team and we work fast. So as always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.